Hi everyone, welcome to the new TNNA website. We're very excited to be launching this week, and we just wanted to give you a tutorial so that way you could figure out how you could actually change your password and find your profile details. So you're going to go to TNNA.org and you're going to click up here in the corner that says sign in. Click sign in and it should bring you to this page. And it'll be blank because you've never logged in before. What you'll do is you'll click username and or password help here at the bottom. Go ahead and click that. And then once you've clicked that link, it's going to ask you for your email address. What you're going to do is you're going to enter your email address that is connected with the TNNA website and your account that you previously had. So what you're going to do is you're going to click OK. And then it's going to tell you whether or not it found your email address. Once it has, it'll say congratulations. And what you'll do is you'll simply click email, username, and password. Once you click it, what you're going to receive is an email that looks like this. And what you'll do is it'll say a new password has been requested for your account. To access your account with the new password, following this link. So you'll go ahead and you'll click, and what it'll do is it'll bring you to a new page and a new tab that's going to have you enter your password and retype your password. To be able to enter a valid password, please follow their guidelines here. And if it doesn't match or have a special character, what it's going to do is it's going to kick you back and have you re-enter a new password. And if you've already used that password recently, what it'll do is it'll kick you back again. And if it isn't 8 characters in length, it will also kick you back. The nice thing about our new website is it'll tell you exactly how you need to change your password to be able to fit the requirements. Once you have successfully logged in, I would suggest clicking update your password in the corner if you have that capability, so you don't have to go through this process again. And it'll tell you whether or not your password change was a success. All you simply do is click continue, and you will be redirected. I would suggest at this point clicking TNNA, the Needle Arts Association icon here at the top. And it should redirect you to a page that looks like this. Now what you can do is you can see I have not updated my profile picture or done much updating as of yet. So what you can do is click in the corner and hit profile. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring you to your profile page. And you can change your picture here. You can also click contact details. So if you wanted to change your email address, your name, your address, any of the details that you've entered in to become a member. If you wanted to choose your main product or service, add additional products or services, any of that can be edited in that portion. You can also add to your bio, your job history. So what I would do is I would just play around in here for a little bit, update what you like, and then you can go ahead and you can start clicking through some of the tabs at the top here that we have for you. It's a really beautiful website, and we hope that you guys like it. And if you have any questions, you can go ahead and email info@tnna.org. We would be happy to help you.